Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll be showing you the ways to recover Project Sekai account. So in order to recover your Project Sekai account, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to go ahead and open up a browser, and on the web address bar type in Project Sekai support. And when you actually do that, you'll be provided with the support center link. So right on top, you can see there is this link as supportpjsekai.sig.com. Go ahead and press on it. Next, moving on, you'll be taken to this page where you have to go ahead and read all of these information. So then to recover your Project Sekai account, you just have to fill out a form or submit a request, and they'll look into your matter. So while submitting a request, you must make sure that the reasons or the description that you've provided has a valid point, and that the description should be convincing for the team to look into your matter. So just go ahead and enter in your email address registered with the following account, and then select the inquiry. You could go ahead and click on others, and next you could go ahead and type in your player ID, and then you could go ahead and enter in your information, all of that. When you've actually submitted, or like when you're done entering your information, then click on the submit button, and then the request will be submitted, notified within 24 to 48 hours. Usually it might take a bit longer than that, so you just wait patiently until you get further notified. How you could go ahead and recover your Project Sekai account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.